Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off iPad mini 7th generation. If you want to power off, you can use the combination of two buttons, the power button on the right side at the top and one of the volume buttons. It doesn't matter which one. You can press and hold both of these buttons in order to open the power menu. And then of course you want to slide this power button to the right side like so, and then once you release your finger you will turn off your iPad. In addition to that, instead of buttons you can also use on-screen buttons as well. If you for instance open the control center, so you want to swipe from the tab on the right side towards the middle, and then over here in the top right corner you have this power button. You want to press and hold this button, and then after 2 seconds you can release your finger, and then you will open the power menu as well. In addition to that, there's one more way to turn off your iPad, and that is by going to settings. You want to make sure that you are in general settings, and if you scroll down at the bottom you will have shutdown, and if you press this button then once again you will open the power menu. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.